When I tell y'all I'm tired of seeing boxes, I am tired of seeing boxes. But anyway, the joys of moving in, right? But we are blessed to be here and actually moving into our house, so no complaints here. Just a lot of work being done. So today's vlog, I don't know if it's gonna be a day's vlog, or let's get rid of the boxes, or if it's gonna, and I look a mess, y'all. I look a mess. But that's all right, I'm in my house and I'm doing housework. Today's vlog, I will be doing a little bit more DIY projects. I will show you the area that I wanted to get a painting for, and when I went to go look for the paintings, the price was just crazy because I need like huge paintings to fill up that space that's right there by my kitchen table. Let's see if I can show you guys. Everything's so messy, like I will clean up and show you guys a little bit later. All right, you guys, so this is the space right here for the paintings. It looks kind of small on camera, but it's a pretty big space. So I got 2 canvases. Let me show you the canvases. I got these 2 canvases right here for a great deal from Michael's. They were buy one, get one free. Originally, one of them was like $85. I ended up paying $77. It was buy one, get one free, and then I had a coupon on my phone. So yeah, I'm about to get started. I bought the putty. So I'm just gonna put some putty on it and paint half of it black. The top half is gonna be cream, and I may flip this one, like top part black, bottom cream, I'm not sure. Or I may do it all black. So we're gonna put the tape around the perimeter of it and just put the putty on the inside of it. There we go. That's the spackle and paste. I got this. Where are we? Here we go. I got this from there, from Home Depot, and these I've had from other like putty kits I got in the past. So I didn't feel the need to buy more because I already have.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only 2, man. How many times have I shown improvement? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only 2, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in stop home. It's me, the Owls, and the twins. It's only the real. I'm moving way too humble. Weezy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on a whip and a crown on a 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen.
But look how good it looks. I think I'm just gonna do this whole thing black. Yeah, I think this whole thing should be black. You gotta open it up. It's in there though. And we should do the other one cream maybe?
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
Because how are we going to do half of this black?
Like take the painter's tape and then go over it.
I mean, I guess it's fine if it's not perfectly. All right, you guys. So it is the next day, and everything has dried. It's hard. So what we're gonna do is, I did test it right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see it? Yeah. So we did spray paint it a little bit right there to see how the cream color would work. It's on it. To see if the cream color would work. So I think I like the cream color. We're gonna mix a little black in there.
I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that day is the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay?
All right, you guys, so we just sprayed the black on it and it's starting to look a little patchy, so I think I'm gonna use my paintbrush, but we have to take a little break because the smell is very strong. So yeah, I don't even think we're gonna use any more paint for the night, not the paint can, because the smell is very strong. So I will be back in a minute. So we couldn't do the second one, but this is the first one. So this is where we spray painted, and you can see where I put the, so I may add some more brush strokes down here and kind of follow through with it all the way around. It got, of course Simba has to be in the frame, and follow through with it all the way around to make it look a little bit better. But, and we haven't removed the painter's tape yet, so I will set you guys up on my tripod.
But there's no need to dress up the numbers, hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay, and New Year's all I did was stretch, okay, and Valentine's Day I had sex, okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna remove this now. Oh wow,
it looks so good. Getting in my shoe.
It looks so good. Okay, I don't know if they can see me. Please look, oh my God.
It does.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
You guys look at that. Okay.
I'm excited.
All right, let me bring you guys closer so you can see. Do y'all see that? Okay, let me finish. Wait, let me do this one.
My AirPods is fun.
It looks perfect. Like, you guys have to try this. You guys have to try this. And if you do, please let me know how it comes out for you. All right, so I'm about to spray paint the next one. I may show it, I may not, but if I do, I'm... All right, hey you guys. So it has been a couple days since I last met up with you guys. I think the last thing that I recorded was me trying my best to finish up the paintings that we were doing, our little DIY paintings for our Eden kitchen area. So I can't remember if I showed you guys, but I will turn around to let you guys see how much we have gotten done so far. We are not completely finished, so let me say that first, but I will turn around so you guys can see it. Okay guys, so here are the paintings right now. Now, one thing I want to tell you, I'm not 100% sure if I am in love with the beige right here. I think I just want it to be white. Not only that, I think I want them to be closer together. And I'm also thinking about adding like picture lights at the top of them right there. Also, if you see on the side, you guys probably couldn't have seen it from back there, but I'm going to show you anyway. We did get some of the black spray paint on the sides of it, so I am going to go over that with white paint. And just a little bit on this side as well. But I am happy with the way they're coming out so far. I just have to do a few things and also decide if I want to change them to white or keep them cream. But you guys let me know what you think. The next thing I have to do is organize under my kitchen sink. my husband changed out our faucet to this faucet right here. And when he was changing out, I took all my cleaning products out. So right now, there's nothing down there. So right now, I don't know what the fly swatter is down there, but fly swatter, some wipes, and that thing right there is the battery pack for the sink, because for the faucet, because the faucet is a touch faucet as well, so you can just tap it. Let me show you guys. So basically you can tap it and the water comes on, and that light down there changes blue when the water's cold and changes red when the water is hot. And this is our little soap dispenser right here. I did go ahead and purchase some what do they call those plastic containers to put under the sink, just to help me organize a little bit better, because like I told you guys before, I am not the best with organizing. But yeah, I'm gonna prop you guys up on the tripod and I'm gonna get started.
I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in stop home. It's me, the house, and the twins. It's only the real. I'm moving way too humble. Weezy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on a whip and a crown on a 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Today, the liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the...
Alright, you guys, so I'm so tired. I did finish doing the sink downstairs. I just need to get some more containers. I need help. Like, I don't know how to organize the pantry right now. And I'm in my closet, by the way, which is a huge mess, y'all. Huge mess. But I'm not sure on how to organize the pantry right now, because I feel like I think I want it to be black and white with some maybe wooden baskets in it as well. But again, I'm not 100% sure as to what I want to do. I do not have everything for it yet, so I cannot do it right now. And the baskets are expensive, so every time I get a little bit of money, I buy a few baskets and I put it down. So that will be coming soon. Also, stay tuned for the end results of the paintings. Those are not it. I do have to fix them. I'm not 100% happy with the way they look, but so far they're okay. They're not horrible, but I want them to be, you know, better than what they look like now. Anyway, so if you have made it this far in the video, I do appreciate you for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Like I said, there will be more videos coming, more vlogs. Your girl's doing vlogs now. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon.